Everything you should know about studio recording as a sound engineer. Studio recording is a fascinating and intricate process where technology meets artistry to create professional audio. As a sound engineer, your role is pivotal in ensuring the recording captures the intended sound while maintaining technical precision and creative quality. Let's explore the key aspects of studio recording and the essential knowledge every sound engineer should possess. 1. Preparing the studio environment. The process begins with setting up the studio. This includes arranging and calibrating microphones, monitors, mixing consoles, and digital audio workstations (DAWs). Understanding acoustics is crucial. Knowing how sound behaves in a space helps optimize placement of equipment and acoustic treatment like diffusers and absorbers. This ensures a balanced recording environment free from unwanted echoes or interference. Sound engineers must also select equipment suited to the project. For example, a condenser microphone may be best for capturing detailed vocals, while dynamic microphones excel at recording loud instruments like drums or guitar amps. Choosing the right gear for each element lays the foundation for high-quality audio. 2. Capturing the perfect recording. During recording sessions, sound engineers work closely with artists, producers, and directors to bring the creative vision to life. This involves adjusting microphone placement, levels, and preamp settings to capture clean and accurate sound. Each instrument or vocal performance has unique characteristics that require attention to detail. For example, when recording vocals, you might use a pop filter to reduce plosive sounds or adjust the proximity effect to control bass frequencies. When recording drums, you'll carefully position microphones to balance the kick, snare, and cymbals while minimizing phase issues. Critical listening is a skill every engineer needs. It allows you to identify unwanted noise, tonal imbalances, or performance inconsistencies and address them on the spot. A well-recorded session saves time in later stages like editing and mixing. 3. Editing and post-production. Once the recording phase is complete, the real technical artistry begins in post-production. Editing involves tasks such as removing unwanted noise or artifacts, comping takes, which means selecting the best parts of multiple recordings to create a seamless final track, aligning timing to ensure all elements are in sync, particularly in genres like pop or EDM, where precision is crucial. Sound engineers use DAWs like Pro Tools, Logic Pro, or Ableton Live to manipulate audio. Advanced tools such as noise reduction plugins, spectral editors, and automation help refine the recording. 4. Mixing. The art of balance. Mixing is where the magic of sound engineering shines. The goal is to create a balanced, dynamic, and immersive audio experience. This involves blending all recorded elements, adjusting their levels, and applying effects such as equalization, EQ, shaping frequencies to ensure each instrument has its place in the mix. Compression, controlling dynamics to make the track sound cohesive. Reverb and delay, adding space and depth to the audio. Sound engineers must consider the artistic intent behind the project. For example, a rock mix may emphasize aggressive guitars and punchy drums, while a film soundtrack might prioritize emotional orchestration and spatial effects. 5. Mastering and delivering the final product. Mastering is the final step in audio production, where the mix is polished for distribution. The sound engineer ensures the track is optimized for various playback systems, from headphones to stadium speakers. This involves fine-tuning loudness, stereo imaging, and frequency balance, as well as preparing the file for specific formats like streaming or physical media. 6. Problem solving in the studio. One of the most overlooked aspects of being a sound engineer is problem solving. From troubleshooting equipment malfunctions to addressing unexpected acoustical issues, a sound engineer must be adaptable and resourceful. Knowledge of signal flow, how audio travels through the studio setup, is critical for identifying and fixing issues quickly. 7. Staying ahead of technology. The audio industry is ever evolving, with new tools, techniques, and trends constantly emerging. Sound engineers must stay informed about the latest gear, software updates, and production techniques. For instance, immersive formats like Dolby Atmos are gaining popularity, requiring engineers to adapt to multi-channel mixing and spatial audio workflows.